it again. Gonna be checking out more Washington things and check out a waterfall. So let's go! This trail is dog friendly and the parking in the upper area is free. You can either walk the boardwalk, which is a fairly easy walk, and if you want to do a hike, there is a 1.4 mile hike that you can go down and see a different view of the falls. Inclines are the worst. What do you think of the hike?
Crowded.
Crowded. What do you think, Zuko? It's a cat. It's a dog-friendly trail, so if you want to beat the crowds, definitely go in super early.
It's worth it if you did it at a different time, during the week or early in the morning.
Yeah, because other than that, the views are just going to be mainly of people. Yeah, so I'd probably either skip it or, like you said, go during the week and early.
You know.
We found this local 50s diner burger joint that is only located in the Seattle areas. They opened their first shop in 1954 where you can always get cheap burgers and get them on the go. Their menu has not changed since 1954. One word.
Simple.
Burgers were good, soda's good, fries sucked. I'd hold off on those. 6.8.
6.6.
We got their gyro combo plate that comes with a gyro, fries, any drink. Say these gyros are actually really good. I had nothing bad to say. Everything just went really well together. I'll give the food an 8.2. And for dessert, we got the baklava. But I will say this was really disappointing. The bottom part of the dessert was way too drenched and way too soggy. And although it's supposed to be flaky, it was just way too tough. I'd skip it, 5.2. Now it's time to say goodbye to the city life and head back to the woods. Our campsite had a small creek falling down a small trail. And of course, we had to explore it. I thought she was gonna poop. She like started squatting. Hi, buds. After weeks of city dwelling, we finally found a camp spot. And we're gonna be here for the next couple of days. But thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. Goodbye!